Introducing the sleek and stylish 2019 Ford Focus 1.0 Zetec 5Dr Auto in black. This hatchback is packed with features for comfort, convenience and safety, from air conditioning to lane departure warning. The 1-litre engine and automatic transmission make for a smooth and efficient drive. With ABS, multiple airbags and collision avoidance braking, you can trust in the security of this vehicle. And with luxury trim, spoiler and LED lights, you'll ride in style. Plus, this Ford Focus comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, service to manufacturer specification, and a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this exceptional car. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information today.